You've had survivors of two types. Those who survived by the luck of the draw, and those who survived because they knew it was going to happen. They planned for it, they prepared for it.
You think they knew it was going to happen?
I think we could make a strong argument that somebody did know.
There were two types of survivors, those who survived by chance and those who knew what was coming and prepared for it. Do you think they really knew? I believe someone definitely knew. The Nibiru catastrophe theory and Randall Carlson's recurring catastrophe theory both focus on catastrophic events that affect the world, but they differ significantly in their foundations and conclusions. Now, when we add some kind of impact event to the mix, it seems to fill in the gaps that are still unexplained. The Nibiru catastrophe theory proposes the existence of a rogue planet called Nibiru. This planet is said to pass through our solar system in an elliptical orbit, causing gravitational disruptions and potentially catastrophic events on Earth every 3,600 years. This theory largely relies on the interpretation of ancient texts and emphasizes a single external trigger for doomsday events. In contrast, Randall Carlson's theory is based on geological and astronomical evidence, suggesting that the Earth periodically experiences catastrophic events due to various natural causes. These causes include comet impacts, volcanic eruptions, and ice age cycles. Carlson, a self-taught geologist and ancient mythology scholar, argues that these recurring catastrophes have shaped human history and the geology of the Earth for thousands of years. The Nibiru theory, while focusing on certain external catastrophes linked to ancient myths, questions whether there is a hidden connection between these disasters and the Nibiru in space. Observing is one thing. Finding the trigger that caused the observed climate changes is another. The term Nibiru has deep roots in Sumerian and Babylonian mythology. It evokes the mysteries of the stars and the divine beliefs and astronomical knowledge of ancient Mesopotamian cultures. When we look at the Sumerians, we see that they were rediscovering their knowledge and learning processes. As part of our modern psychology, we imagine ourselves far ahead of that time. Nibiru is connected with Marduk, the central figure of the Babylonian pantheon. Marduk represents power, divine being, and the meeting point of cosmic order, highlighting Nibiru's great importance in religious texts and its critical role in the astronomical and calendar systems of that era. Astronomically, Nibiru was held in high regard by the Babylonians and was considered the highest point of the ecliptic, marking the position of the summer solstice. This was not a random point in the sky. It was vital for calendar systems that influenced agricultural practices and religious ceremonies. The observation of Nibiru and its relationship with specific constellations highlighted the importance of ancient astronomers. These sky scholars integrated celestial observations into the fabric of their daily lives by using Nibiru's path to guide agricultural cycles, interpret religious festivals, and signs. Drawing parallels between Nibiru in Sumerian mythology and the Greek star Hon offers a fascinating glimpse into the universal human effort to understand the cosmos. Hon, the Shining One, was associated with the sun god Helios and drove a chariot that carried the sun across the sky. This myth, like the significance of Nibiru for the Mesopotamians, highlights the critical role of celestial bodies in shaping the ancient world's understanding of time and space. Both the stories of Nibiru and Hon reflect a deep-rooted belief that celestial beings could influence or dictate the fundamental rhythms of life on Earth. Zecharia Sitchin's book, The 12th Planet, published in 1976, marked the beginning of a series that brought together concepts of ancient mythology, astronomy, and extraterrestrial life. This narrative is as controversial as it is fascinating. Sitchin introduced the idea of a mysterious yet undiscovered planet named Nibiru, which orbits in a wild elliptical path extending far beyond Neptune. But what is the source of such a theory? Sitchin found his answer in ancient Sumerian cuneiform tablets. Sitchin believed these tablets chronicled this 12th celestial body in our solar system. At the center of Sitchin's theory is an advanced race of beings known as the Anunnaki, who visited Earth around 450,000 years ago. This narrative suggests that these extraterrestrial beings came to Earth, genetically engineered modern Homo sapiens to mine gold on their home planet, and initiated human civilization with their cosmic presence. This story intertwines the beginning of human civilization with cosmic visitors and highlights the Sumerians' advanced astronomical knowledge. Their awareness of Nibiru's orbit was considered a gift from their extraterrestrial ancestors. Sitchin's proposal of Nibiru's 3,600-year orbit stems from his unique interpretation of the Sumerian numerical system and their concept of the Great Year. Despite the lack of concrete evidence from mainstream science supporting the existence of Nibiru or its impact on our planet, this idea has captured the imagination of many. Some have even suggested that Nibiru could cause mass extinction events by launching comets and asteroids towards Earth. We see that such an event might have occurred 13,000 years ago, and this seems quite evident. Sitchin's work bears an interesting parallel to the theories of Immanuel Velikovsky, particularly those in his 1950s book Worlds in Collision. Like Sitchin, Velikovsky turned to ancient texts, interpreting them as narratives of catastrophic astronomical events that shaped early human history and mythology. However, while Velikovsky focused on collisions within our inner solar system, Sitchin took the narrative further by introducing the Anunnaki and their distant, unseen home planet, Nibiru, adding an extraterrestrial dimension to the story. Although both theories remain outside mainstream scientific consensus, they offer a fascinating glimpse into the possibility that ancient myths might hold more truth about our universe and origins than traditionally believed. Here we have mythology and scientific evidence that the world has been shaped by catastrophes. As the end days of the Mayan long count calendar approached in December 2012, the world was abuzz with apocalyptic predictions. At the center of this frenzy was the mysterious planet Nibiru, said to be a rogue celestial body on a collision course with Earth. This ancient prophecy, a mix of modern conspiracy theory and astronomical speculation, led people to wonder if we were on the brink of doomsday. The idea was that Nibiru, invisible to astronomers, but somehow detected by those in the know, would either collide with Earth or pass close enough to cause destruction with its gravitational pull. NASA, as a scientific organization, did something quite unexpected by directly responding to these doomsday predictions. The space agency clearly stated that there is no evidence for the existence of Nibiru or any other celestial body posing a threat on the horizon. If a planet were approaching us, it would have been detected by both professional and amateur observers. NASA's extensive sky surveys, particularly those conducted by the Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer (WISE) team, had not been able to detect the legendary Nibiru. Enter Randall Carlson, a self-taught geologist with a passion for disaster science. Carlson delved deeply into the geological records of Earth and uncovered evidence of recurring catastrophic events that dramatically reshaped our planet. His research, ranging from rapid climate changes and major floods to comet impacts, reveals the tumultuous history of the Earth and its impact on human civilization. Here things get interesting. Could a hypothetical Nibiru align with these series of disasters? Some speculate that if Nibiru existed, its elliptical orbit might coincide with these catastrophic periods. Perhaps it could have acted as a gravitational catalyst for comet showers or other destructive events. However, the broader scientific community frames these disasters within the context of natural world processes and known astronomical phenomena. Events such as asteroid impacts, supervolcanic eruptions, and glacial cycles are considered part of Earth's dynamic history, but are attributed to natural causes rather than the influence of an unseen planet. The dialogue between speculative theories like Nibiru and the scientific research conducted by researchers like Carlson on Earth's catastrophic past reflects our fascination with cosmic disasters and expresses a profound curiosity about the forces that have shaped and continue to shape our planet. One path delves into mythology and pseudoscience, while the other seeks to unravel the mysteries of our world through geology and astronomy. Together, they highlight our ongoing quest to understand catastrophic events that mark Earth's history and the cosmic ballet that plays out over us. In this mysterious realm where myths and scientific research intertwine, each theory helps us take another step toward understanding the secrets of the universe and our origins. On this fascinating journey, we will continue to explore the mysteries of Nibiru and recurring catastrophes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more content. Contribute to this journey by sharing your comments and thoughts with us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.